For me, when I think of Iceland, I think of just nature. Was expecting lots of birds and have not been disappointed. Love the puffins. And most of them are carrying a fish in their mouth, which makes me happy because there's no shortage of food here apparently.
So the puffin is one of the most charismatic birds that you can see in Iceland. They are during the whole winter, they are in the open ocean, but when it comes to spring, they will come to the cliffs. They will wait for their mate and then they will make their nest. They will lay only one white egg and then they will incubate the egg around 1 month. Their chick will hatch after 30 days of incubation and they will keep feeding their chick for up to in between 30 to 50 days. And after that, then the parents they go and the puffin will jump into the ocean and then will continue its life in the wild.